everybody, I'm Freija and I want to be a chef when I grow up. So today I'm going to make Eton mess.
You will need fluffy white meringues, red, super juicy strawberries, cream, thick, juicy cream, and fly spray.
Not fly spray. That's weird.
Get rid of this fly spray.
We're ready! Wait, what? Why am I a horse? That's better. Now we can start cooking! First things first, I'm going to take the lid off this like a yogurt pot and then pour all of this in the bowl, and then with this I'm going to hold it like that and press one of these buttons, and then I'm going to mix it so it gets a fluffy texture to it. This is the thickest cream I've ever seen. Oh. Next up, we're going to drop the strawberries. This is a meringue. I'm going to smash it. Now the moment we've been waiting for, the mixing. So first I'm going to put a handful of the meringues, the crushed up ones, into the bowl, a handful of the strawberries into the bowl, and pour some cream into the bowl to make a lovely Eton mess. So now I'm going to get a handful of these now. Get a big piece. Now, some strawberries. Ugh. Time for the cream. There we have it. A perfect Eton mess.